Beautiful 2018 F-350 Super Duty. It is a Lariat, 160-inch wheelbase, local, accident-free. About 37,000 kilometers on it. This one's got everything. We have tailgate step here. We have remote entry, remote start. Have a box liner. Has the chrome package on it. You can see the chrome step bars, chrome wheels, power leather heated cooled front seats, dual panel moonroof. Voice navigation. Trailer tow with trailer brake controller. Beautiful F-350 you're going to find at Brown Brothers. We're at 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.